Best folding phones. Are you looking for the best folding phones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best folding phones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Motorola Razr Plus Unlocked is a sleek, compact foldable smartphone that combines a retro design with modern features, offering a unique twist on the classic flip phone. Available in a stylish midnight blue color, it comes with 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, making it a solid choice for users who want both style and performance. The foldable OLED screen is a standout feature, offering a 6.9-inch display that folds in half for easy portability. When unfolded, it provides an immersive, expansive view suitable for multimedia consumption, gaming, and productivity tasks. A 50MP rear camera captures high-quality photos, delivering crisp, detailed images even in low-light conditions thanks to its advanced imaging technology. This camera, coupled with a 13MP ultra-wide lens, allows for versatile photography options. The 32MP front camera is great for selfies and video calls, making it ideal for social media enthusiasts. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, the Razr Plus ensures smooth performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running apps. It also supports 5G connectivity, providing faster speeds for downloading, streaming, and online gaming. The 3,800 mAh battery ensures a full day's use on a single charge, and it supports 30W fast charging, so you'll get a quick power boost when needed. This unlocked version is compatible with major US carriers, giving you flexibility in choosing your network provider. With its premium design, excellent camera system, and solid performance, the Motorola Razr Plus Unlocked is a standout in the foldable smartphone category, combining nostalgia with cutting-edge technology. Number 2. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is an unlocked Android smartphone that pushes the boundaries of foldable technology, offering a versatile and futuristic experience. With a sleek obsidian finish, this device features a foldable display, making it compact when closed and expansive when unfolded, delivering a 7.6-inch OLED screen for an immersive visual experience. Its ability to seamlessly transition between phone and tablet mode enhances productivity and entertainment, making it a standout choice for users seeking flexibility. Equipped with the Gemini chip, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold offers powerful performance, ensuring smooth multitasking, gaming, and high-speed browsing. The device comes with 256GB of internal storage, providing ample space for apps, media, and documents, while its 12GB RAM ensures efficient performance even with multiple apps running simultaneously. One of the standout features of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is its advanced triple rear camera system, including a 50MP primary lens, an ultra-wide sensor, and a telephoto lens. This setup captures stunning, detailed images in various lighting conditions, offering users high-quality photography options. Additionally, it supports hands-free video recording, allowing for easy, convenient video captures without needing to hold the device. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold supports 5G connectivity, offering faster download and streaming speeds. The 4,500 mAh battery ensures reliable all-day use, while 30W fast charging ensures minimal downtime. Running on the latest version of Android, the device also benefits from regular updates, delivering the latest features and security patches. With its cutting-edge design, powerful internals, excellent camera capabilities, and foldable display, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold sets a new standard in the foldable smartphone category, combining practicality with innovation. Number 3. The OnePlus Open is a premium, factory-unlocked Android smartphone that offers high-end features and performance. With 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, it provides ample space and power for seamless multitasking, gaming, and handling demanding apps. The device is dual SIM compatible, offering flexibility for users who need to manage multiple lines or networks. The OnePlus Open boasts a 4,805 mAh battery, providing solid battery life to get through a full day of use, and supports 67W fast charging, allowing the device to be quickly charged for minimal downtime. Its 120Hz fluid display offers a smooth, responsive user experience, perfect for gaming, browsing, and watching high-definition content with vibrant colors and deep contrast. A key highlight of the OnePlus Open is its Hasselblad camera system, which combines powerful imaging technology with the iconic camera brand's expertise. The camera setup delivers professional quality photos, enhancing colors and detail, with improved low-light performance for exceptional photography in various conditions. The Voyager black color gives the OnePlus Open an elegant and sleek look, while the device's construction ensures durability. The phone runs on Oxygen OS, offering a clean and responsive interface, along with regular updates and the latest Android features. With 5G support, the OnePlus Open enables fast download and streaming speeds, ensuring top-tier connectivity. Whether for work or entertainment, this smartphone is designed to meet the needs of users seeking both power and style. With its large storage capacity, fast charging, advanced camera system, and smooth display, the OnePlus Open offers an exceptional experience for those who demand the best in mobile technology. Number 4. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a cutting-edge AI-powered Android smartphone designed to provide an innovative and versatile mobile experience. Featuring 256 GB of storage, this unlocked device offers ample space for apps, media, and files, while ensuring fast performance for multitasking and gaming. With its large foldable screen, the Z Fold 6 transforms from a compact phone to a tablet-like experience, making it ideal for productivity, entertainment, and immersive content viewing. The phone is equipped with AI-powered features, including Circle to Search, a smart function that allows users to easily search for content by simply circling text or images. Another standout feature is the hands-free live interpreter, which uses AI to provide real-time translation, making it easier to communicate in different languages without manual input. The AI photo edits enhance your photos automatically, optimizing lighting, colors, and details for professional quality images. With a focus on usability, the Z Fold 6 provides an expansive screen when unfolded, offering a dynamic 120Hz display that ensures smooth scrolling and a fluid user experience. Whether you're browsing, watching videos, or gaming, the large display enhances everything you do. The silver shadow color gives the phone a sleek and premium aesthetic, making it both stylish and functional. This model comes with a 1-year US manufacturer warranty, ensuring that you're covered in case of any issues. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 combines advanced AI features, a versatile foldable design, and cutting-edge technology, making it a top choice for users seeking a premium, high-performance smartphone that adapts to their needs. Number 5. The Motorola Razr Unlocked is a modern take on the iconic flip phone, offering a stylish design with advanced features. Available in a vibrant spritz orange color, this smartphone combines nostalgia with cutting-edge technology. It features 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, providing ample space for apps, media, and files while ensuring smooth performance for multitasking and high-performance tasks. The Razr's standout feature is its foldable OLED display, which provides a compact, portable design that opens up to a large, immersive screen when needed. The foldable screen offers a 6.2-inch display, providing a cinematic experience for watching videos, browsing, and gaming. When folded, it becomes highly pocketable, making it convenient to carry around. The 50MP rear camera captures stunning, high-resolution photos with vibrant colors and great detail, even in low-light conditions. Whether you're taking everyday shots or portraits, the camera system delivers excellent results. Additionally, the phone comes with a 20MP front camera, perfect for selfies and video calls. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, the Razr ensures fast performance for browsing, app usage, and gaming. It also supports 5G connectivity, providing fast download speeds, low latency, and smooth streaming. The phone features a 2,800 mAh battery, which supports all-day use, and also supports 15W fast charging to ensure you can quickly recharge the device when needed. As an unlocked device, the Motorola Razr is compatible with major US carriers, providing flexibility in choosing your network provider. With its foldable design, high-quality camera, and modern features, the Motorola Razr Unlocked offers a premium mobile experience for users who value both style and performance.